Nestled between the mountains and the sea, there's a place where history, culture, and nature converge to create a truly unforgettable place. Welcome to Tuburan, Cebu! Our journey begins here at the Tuburan Tourism Office, where you can plan the perfect visit to this beautiful town.
Hi, welcome to Tourism Office.
Tuburan's rich history dates back to the mid 1800s, a town shaped by the legacy of its people and their resilience. It was here that General Arcadio Maxilom, a key figure in the Philippine Revolution, forged his path to freedom. We honor his bravery and leadership, which continues to inspire the spirit of Tuburanons today. General Maxilom's legacy lives on, and in the hearts of the people of Tuburan, the fight for independence remains a proud chapter of their past. At the heart of the community is the faith of Tuburanons. The town proudly honors Saint Anthony of Padua, their patron saint, whose blessings and guidance are felt in every corner of this thriving town. Tuburan's culture is as rich and vibrant as its history. Every year, locals celebrate the Tubod Festival, a grand event honoring the town's heritage with music, dance, and colorful parades. Known for its captivating performances, the Tubod Festival is a showcase of the community's spirit and creativity. Truly an unforgettable experience for both locals and visitors alike. Another gem of Tuburan is its thriving coffee industry. The town is home to some of the best locally grown coffee beans in Cebu. Here, you'll taste the rich flavors that come from generations of farming expertise. And of course, the warmth of the Tuburanons is something that leaves a lasting impression. With open arms and warm hearts, the people of Tuburan will make you feel right at home. Now, let's explore some of Tuburan's must-see attractions. Start your day at Tuburan Cafe, where you can enjoy a fresh cup of local coffee while taking in stunning views of the town. Heading to the outskirts of town, behold the majestic Dao Tree. This ancient towering tree is a natural wonder, symbolizing Tuburan's deep connection to the earth and its traditions. For those seeking relaxation and tranquility, Molobolo Spring is the perfect escape. This natural spring, with its crystal clear waters, is a serene oasis for anyone looking to unwind and enjoy the beauty of freshwater nature. Don't miss Tuburan 360, a scenic spot that gives you a bird's eye view of the entire town. From the lush landscapes to the sparkling sea, discover the magic of the Blue Hole, a mesmerizing dive site known for its crystal clear waters and rich marine life. And if you're craving for a little thrill, Marble Cliff offers an adrenaline-pumping experience with its stunning cliffside views. From its vibrant culture and welcoming people to its awe-inspiring natural beauty, Tuburan is truly a place like no other. So pack your bags and come to Tuburan, where every step you take brings you closer to your own spring of success.